Welcome to this demo of the bulk assign location feature in Unleashed Warehouse Management. In this video, we'll show you how to assign product locations in bulk using a simple Excel upload process. To get started, click on the Inventory Management tile in Warehouse Management. Then at the top of the page, you'll see the Bulk Assign Location button. Click on this to begin. Next, you'll be prompted to select a warehouse. For this example, we'll use the head office warehouse. Once selected, click Download on the product location template. This will export an Excel file containing all products in the selected warehouse. Let's open the file and take a closer look. You'll see key product information, including SKU, batch number where applicable, expiry date, available quantity to assign, quantity, and location. Now let's walk through an example using PET glue. You'll notice that PET glue has 100 unassigned units. For the batch-tracked version, there are also 100 units, split across batches of 50 each. To assign locations, simply enter the quantity and the location. For example, if you want to assign everything to a single location, you can enter 100 and set the location to L01. Alternatively, you can split the quantity across multiple locations, such as assigning 50 to L01 and 50 to L02. The same approach applies to batch-tracked products. In this example, we'll assign one batch to L03 and another to L04. Once you've completed your updates, save the file and return to the browser. Now, upload the updated template and click Upload and Assign. If you're working with a large file, you can also choose to run the upload in the background. After processing, the system will display a summary of the results. Here, you'll see how many rows were successfully assigned and how many encountered issues. You can click View Details to review any errors. For example, you may be advised that certain rows in the spreadsheet were skipped due to having no location. This happens when no location was entered in the template. The system automatically skips these rows in Excel, so you don't need to remove them manually. Finally, let's verify the results for PET glue. You'll now see the 100 units successfully assigned, split across locations L01 and L02, as uploaded earlier in the template. For the batch-tracked product, all units are assigned across locations L03 and L04, with no remaining unassigned stock. Any relevant expiry dates are also reflected. And that's how you can quickly and efficiently assign inventory locations in bulk using the Bulk Assign Location feature in Unleashed Warehouse Management. Thanks for watching.